How to make a WhatsApp business account simple for beginners 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this we're going to be discovering on how we're going to be able to make a WhatsApp business account, which is going to be really simple to make for beginners, and we're going to be talking about it in great depth and detail. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end to get the full in-depth and detailed analysis about this. So, to allow yourself to work through this, what you are going to be doing is you're going to go over to business.whatsapp.com. Now, over here, there's a few things that you're going to want to consider in too, okay? So, the few things that we're going to want to consider are, your phone number, okay? If you don't have a phone number, then obviously it's going to be a bit difficult to occur the workings on WhatsApp. But when it comes to WhatsApp business, you can go in products, and in products, you can see in WhatsApp business, you get a whole business platform, and in this business platform you get different features, pricings that we're going to check in a moment. Then you get a business app that you can work with, which is also pretty incredible. Then there's resources with success stories, blogs, then there's great developers, and then there's partners as well. You can become a partner and a finder, which is basically WhatsApp affiliation. Okay, so transform your business, engage audience, accelerate sales, and drive better customer support outcomes on the platform with more than 2 billion users around the world. So you can go ahead and choose your product with, whatever you want to work with. And then moving on, you can fulfill different types of details for this as well. So we're going to choose our product in a second. And we can see WhatsApp business platform from medium to large business communicating with customers at scale through programmatic access. Then there's WhatsApp business app and a whole lot more. So basically, what goes down in this is you can use this for your workings, and you can use this for different types of features that you have on your WhatsApp. But more importantly, you can use this on your phone. Okay, so it's mobile, you can take it anywhere, which is also pretty incredible. So right now I'm going to go ahead and choose your product, and here it says WhatsApp business product, support business from large to small. See which product best fits your actual needs. So there's WhatsApp business platform and WhatsApp business app. So from medium to large business, should I go with that, or small businesses who personally manage conversations with customers? So you can download the business app for yourself, okay? And obviously the WhatsApp business app is on Google Play, or you can get it on App Store, and use the app to communicate one-on-one with the customers, earn trust, make a great first impression with a business profile, showcase your products, respond with ease, and you're good to go. But then secondly, there's WhatsApp business platform that you can go with. So here's the business platform. We can integrate with your existing tech stack, okay? So you can just go ahead and get started with the business platform, and what you can do is you're going to create an account for the business platform. So this is exactly how you're going to be creating an account on your WhatsApp business. So you're going to add in your emails and the necessary things that obviously need to be added. So here you go. Then you have your job role. So let's say I am a developer. Okay, you're gonna add in your company name. What is your business headquartered? We're gonna write that. Are you looking to use the API to send WhatsApp messages for your businesses or client's business? So I'm gonna go with my business. Okay, how many employees does your business have? I'm gonna go with 10 and 99. I'm gonna click on agree and click on submit. Now what this will do is it will apply for the business WhatsApp API, and it says thank you for your interest in the WhatsApp business platform. You will receive an email additional information from them soon. Now, basically, what I have done over here is I have applied for the business platform API, and what this will do is it will help me publish my business with the API of WhatsApp. Okay, and WhatsApp's API basically is a code that you can integrate with whatever your business site is. Like, let's say I have a business site on Shopify about IT, or I have a business site on WordPress about IT, and I need some type of chatting technique with my customers, followers, etc. So basically, if I add in my API into the store, that's going to lead to, me getting more sales and just a lot of better things to go with. So yeah, basically that's why, you can opt for the API right now, and you all can do that in like, a few clicks and seconds as I clearly showed you. So please do make sure to try it. because it will not let you down. It's absolutely amazing. And then obviously you can get this type of stuff on your WhatsApp mobile. So yeah, just make sure to go with the proper things, the proper settings and integrations, and you should be good to go from there. Now moving on, basically, what you can do in more detail is you can go ahead into the pricings as well. So if we come to the business platform and see the pricings that the business platform actually asks us, you can contact sales for that because you can see over here pricing to fit every conversation. The transparent pricing empowers you to deliver value across your customer's journey. The flexibility you need to connect at scale. Okay, so take care of your customers. Helping your customers is always a priority. That's why every WhatsApp business account receives 1,000 free service conversations each month. You have leveraged free entry points when customers send a message from an ad that clicks to WhatsApp or Facebook page call to action button. That conversation is free for 72 hours. Moving on, there's conversation based priced empowers, which is for you to create better customer experiences and be more engaged with your audience. How conversations are based with pricing works, there's marketing, utility, authentication, service, and a whole lot more. Different conversation rates, and you can choose even the market that you want to conversation rates on. So let's say in the Pakistani market, we want to see the conversion rate. So let's say for service, the conversion rates are 0.0028, service rates are this much, utility rates are this much. Then you can also go with, let's say I want to go with the United States, okay? So I'm going to go with, you know what, let's go with the UK. And in the UK, you can also see the different conversion rates that they have when it comes to, your conversion currency. So overall, pretty good and fun stuff to get your head around, and you can make the most of every opportunity with whatever country you're in. So just contact their sales, and you're going to get a whole detailed analysis of how the things on their page work, and everything should be good to go. And then finally, you can also become partners with them. So basically, becoming a partner is, you could say, becoming an affiliate. So you can build conversations, and you can see that conversations are the best way for businesses and their customers to connect. And the partners are the one who make the conversation happen. So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to become a partner, and as a partner, you are going to be the middleman for the business and the conversation person. Okay, you're going to be the middleman for these two things, and you're going to make sure that these two have contact with each other. And obviously, if you do that, you're going to make some sort of commission because you made two, different workhouses meet each other, which is obviously not a small thing when it comes to the world of business. So you obviously are going to be rewarded for it. You're going to be rewarded for your efforts and a whole lot more. So yeah, you do want to keep a accountant for that. But yeah, basically that's about it when it comes to discussing, WhatsApp Business and how you're supposed to create an account on it. Now, if you enjoyed watching this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll make more for you. Till then, that was all from me, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.